Hey folks, welcome back to another deep learning vlog. Today I'm showing you how I train a model to tell cats and dogs apart, and we are doing it with some serious style using VGG16 and Keras. We are working with a tiny but mighty dataset, 3000 cats and 3000 dogs for training, 900 each for validation. All images resized to 300 by 300 pixels, a perfect playground for transfer learning magic. This is where the magic happens. I'm using pre-trained VGG16 as a frozen feature extractor. After that, a global average pooling layer flattens the features, followed by dense ReLU 6 layer, 40% dropouts, and finally a sigmoid output to make that binary call cat or dog. To boost model smarts, I add data augmentation, flips, shifts, rotations, plus the Adam optimizer, and a learning rate scheduler to make training smooth and stable. No fine-tuning yet, just pure feature power. After 60 epochs, validation accuracy hit 94.06%. The accuracy curve climbed cleanly, and the loss dropped without overfitting. Classic transfer learning win. So what did we learn? Pre-trained models are insanely effective. Dropout helped regularize, augmentation added variety, and the model coverage beautifully. So next step, maybe unfreeze VGG16 layers for fine-tuning. And that's a wrap. Thanks for tagging along this cat and dog adventure. Try it out yourself, remix the model, and stay tuned for more retro deep learning builds. Peace out.